Hi guys, happy weekend. I am here to share the new Whimsy Stamps release with you. I also restocked these two really great dies. These are the slim line dies. This is the postage one and this is the marquee die. These are so great. Just pop on your little images in the little windows and you have yourself a very cute and quick card. Don't forget, today is the last day to join the Coffee Lovers blog hop and to use the coupon code COFFEE4YOU for 15% off your order. It's going to expire tonight at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. So I grabbed this stencil. It's called Twinkle. I thought that it'd make a really pretty background with the little twinkling lights. We've got tartan plaid background. I love this print. Stamp it in the black color or the red, whatever color. I love that print. This is the really cute one. These two. I love these two. So let's see. This one is called Frosty Wishes and Frosty Hugs. They're just so cute and you can use these together. I love this one with the little Frosty taking a bath in the hot cocoa with his little penguin friend. This one's really nice. He's holding up a sign that you can stamp little words in there. There's a cute little penguin. And then we've got Frosty and his penguin here. They're hugging. And this one, his friend is melting. And then we've got a cute little penguin. And then some cute sentiments. You are too cool. There is no one like you. You melt my heart. Just really cute stuff. Here's another Wonky Window 3 die. And I love these because you just place the little images in there, create different scenes in each window. Love it. So you can use it vertically or horizontally. This one's really cute. This one is the Tweety Pie. Look how adorable those birds are. Little earmuffs and a scarf. This one's got a hat. And this one's got a hat and scarf. And I love the branches and the birdhouse. And then the sentiments in here you can use for other occasions. Like the best way to spread birthday cheer is singing out loud for all to hear. Is it spring yet? That's a good one. Thanks for always listening. So this doesn't have to be a holiday stamp set. Love gingerbread houses. This is really cute. It's going to be really cute with those slimline dies. Just pop in your little gingerbread houses. It's called Gingerbread Greetings. And then we've got a really cute elf one. It's called Elf Sized. How cute are these guys? And then there's cute sentiments. I'm not short. I'm elf sized. Smiling's my favorite. Good things come in small packages. Santa's favorite elf. I just like to smile. Something special just for you. Holiday wishes filled with elf kisses. This one here is called Christmas Postcard. It's very pretty, looks vintage. Can make a postcard and decorate it. I love that image there. When I saw this one, I really fell in love with these bunnies. They're called Bunny Delivery. And I just love how the ears are flopped down. They're furry. He's got this really nice knitted hat on. He's standing on a pile of envelopes. This one's pulling a sleigh, and then I love the trees. There's some snow on there. We've got Sending You, Snuggles, and Winter Cheer, Snowflakes, and Friendship, and then Love. We've got Happy Holidays 2, and this one's really cute. Look how cute those owls are. Look at their big eyes with balls of howly. Really cute. This is season to be jowly. So very fun and owl punny. Santa and stockings, and Santa's train. These look like they go together. Super cute. And how cute would this little train be on a long slimline card? Very, very, very cute. We've got Very Mice Christmas. Look at that giant, looks like a snowman hat the little mice is carrying. And then we've got this cutie. I think that's a button in its hand. And then these two are carrying a large candy cane. Naughty are mice. Everything cute as a button. Really sweet set. And then these two go together. These little dragons are always fun. Winter Sport Dragon and Winter Sports. Really, really cute. So we've got sledding, skiing, ice skating. This one's skiing. That one's snowboarding, and that one's inner tubing. And then for their smaller sized rubber stamps, this is Wintry Cabin. Really beautiful stamp set. Lots of detail. Chickadees and berries. That's really pretty. Mason jar. So this is a really large mason jar. And you could stamp it on its side, put some critters or something inside of the jar, or buttons or whatever you want to stamp inside the jar. Ellie's Candy Canes, these cute little elephants. So pretty. And then Scuba Deer. This one's funny. He is trapped in the snow globe. Scuba diving. Comes with all the snow. So that is what I have for the new Whimsy's release. Very, very cute stuff. So thanks for stopping by, guys, and thanks for shopping. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.